Hi and welcome to these tutorials on RIPA. I'm just going to show you briefly how it all works. This is the main dashboard area. We can search all of these. These are our listings that we've got here, and they're all by ID number. You can either go from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Search them alphabetically by town or by the address, by price, land size, brick veneers or whatever type of property you want. It's all done at the click of a button. Up the top here, if you want to search for a particular type of house, you might want a 4-bedroom, where you just get rid of the 3 numbers there, and you might want 2 bathrooms, so you just do this. You want 2 living areas or more, double garage. Click on refine search, and there's a particular property at the moment. We can clear that search and we can go back to all, and it shows every property in the database, which is heaps of them. Obviously you build them up over a period of time. You want all the settled ones, so you click on here and that'll show you all the settled ones. Then you might want the under offer ones. So as I say, it's got all the search facilities. When you want to change any of the default settings or that in the program, you just click on settings, and you've got change the password ability. You can put in certain users. Got vendor users. That's interesting. It comes up with all the people who are logged in the database, and they actually get passwords sent to them. We've got a calendar that interacts with the program. Areas shows us areas around the town. We get to set these up ourselves in whatever size you want. Connection strings, this is just all general stuff. Email settings, you just got to put those in when you set up for a start. Letter settings, that's where you set up your letterhead and bylines and different things. Options will show you what. Now this is interesting. These are the default days for offer expiries and particular sale templates. You can change the template to whichever one you want. There's a whole lot of different templates available. You put your logo in here, and it goes on all the letterheads. You've got marketing options, different newspapers where you can put things in. We've also got newspaper prices, so you have to put in the prices of the different newspapers that you use. Bank accounts, manual backup. It actually does a backup every night in the middle of the night automatically and just goes onto the hard drive. There's also a manual recovery where you can recover up to the point of the last backup. Government data is interesting, where we get land data details. And what happens here is we actually convert the land data details to latitude and longitude and put it on a Google map, so we can see it while we're driving around. Then we've got web pages. This is pretty interesting. You get to design your own web page, and these are all the ones that I've created. You might want to make one up, so it's got a HTML editor down the bottom here, and then if you want to change it, you merely just type into here whatever you want to do. If you're a little bit knowledgeable on HTML, you can actually go into here and see the code, and that's not too hard to learn either. Looking a bit further on, we've got a guide that tells us got every postcode in Australia in there, and it's got unit prices. Now this tells us how much per square metre different things are, so pergola, landscaping. This is what we use for the summation method for appraising a house. We've got CPI rates for the last 10 years for different postcodes. So if you want to see how much a house has gone up in the last 2 or 3 years since someone's bought it, you can just apply that just at the click of a button. Got a whole range of different street types, and here's the areas again that we saw in the other one. This is just done for a different reason. Contacts, we've got all our vendors, and we can sort them out by searching the first name, last name, location. We've got prospects, purchasers, all our employees. Real estate employees are just for one particular agency, but you can set it so you can see every real estate agent in Shepparton if you want to. We've got all the conveyances in the particular area. You need to enter all this information so you've got access to do all the reports really easy. All the solicitors firms around the area and the conveyances, they're put in there as well. And we've got the real estate agencies and business associates. These are like pest inspectors or building inspectors. Activities, we've got open home dashboard. That's quite interesting, where you apply all your weekly open homes. We've got open home attendees. Some of these are in the tutorial to show you how they work. Different modules, newspaper templates, and these templates are pretty good. If you want to create certain things, you can just go in here and do them. I'll show you how all that happens in another tutorial. Emails, we've got, if we want to send vendors ones, we've got blank ones, or thanks for listing, marketing schedules, vendor congratulations letter, a whole range of different things. If you want to change a template, just go into here, click on template. You'll be given a password, so you just type that in there and there's your template, so you can change it to be whatever you want. It's all straightforward and simple. And going along a bit further, we've got reports. We can have a look at key registration numbers for the houses that you've got. You can sort them out by the number of the key, or the property address, or the owner's name, just alphabetical. We've got a commission calculator where you can put in commissions and your staff can just see how much they're going to make out of a commission at the particular time. And then we've got a help guide, which is about us, and a user guide. So I hope that explains a little bit about what we do. Have a look at a couple of the tutorials and I'm sure you'll be impressed.